hi to the subscribers! Punta kami ngayon sa hospital. We'll bring Piping. Kasi nanghihina siya. She got parasites. And as a first sister, tayo po yung driver.
Ako kasi rapang sa tahat.
Ayos, ayos, okay. So, let's go. Yes, Piping? Huh? Wanna join the vlog, Piping? You say hi! Hello, friends! Para amon, Piping! Strong namon, Piping! Yesterday, she went to Cornerstone and Rabadulia. And now we're going back to Rabadulia to have her dextrose off. Or dadagdagan. Mauubos na kasi. So, we'll be coming back. Shout out to all fur moms! Yung fur mom namin, papasok na. And I'm the first sister! Yeah, right, sister! Say hi to the vlog again, sister!
Small trip. Pagtambot na nga isang ito.
You say bye-bye na to the vlog. Bye-bye! Naku! I just came from school and among all my entries, isagid ang nakapasar kay sir. Na may mani, diba? 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 Our class, our entries will be illusions. Okay, punta na tayo kay Piping and kay Mother and let's go home. Okay, let's buy from Barmart. We are now here. Let's see. Let's go home. Let's go home. Ganun ka na da. Masulod ka na sa love, love. Love, love, Piping. Thank you, Manong. We got poncho. Just rose. Wala mo poncho? Wala poncho? Day 2. Good afternoon, Piping. Ta-da! Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. We'll bring the 2 dogs to the doctor. Let's check if they are still healthy. They are already 12 years. And in a couple of months, mag-13 years old na sila. Lapit na maubos. Hi! Yours! Next, baby! Come on! Let's go up! Papa! It's Inside! Get inside! Get inside! This is for you! This is for you! Kabiliba! Where will you go? This is Junior Star! And we have Intel! Sit down, Intel! Scared ako, Intel! Ay, makatugot ako kay Tok-Tok! Wow! Very good! Come on, baby!
Let's go. Let's go. Wala ka di ka kami.
Isa akong jacket. Di mo katuamon ka, Car? Ay, pay-pay mo gaday mo nga, Tel. Pakita mo sa ilay mo, Tel, ha? Titil! Musta akong titil? Nanago! Nanago! Nanago!
Nakabusal.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Sabi sa sulod, pinuhuli sila.
Ano nalantaw sang baby? Mga cars nalantaw ka baby naman.
Blood cancer sa kuan ni Baba.
Very good naman baby. Very good. Very good ako titin. Nanay, gali iya gusto. Buot-buot na no. Ikaw ya? Very good. Wow! Ikaw lang kidi isa. Kita lang di. Wala ka mo classmate? Wala ka mo classmate? Wala ka mo classmate? Wala ka mo classmate?
Ay, nabaliran po.
Ka baby. Ano gusto yung nga treat? Pili! Pili! Picture Ama! 1, 2, 3! Picture Ama! 1, 2, 3! Time check, it's 4 p.m. and the doctor is open from 8:30 to 5 p.m. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. We are back in Rebadulia because my doggy finger is going wild and muntik niya nang makagat. There's a scratch kay Mother Earth, so we have to consult what's happening with her. Life was not easy for us lately. We were on and off sa hospital because our dogs was sick. And just this morning, iniwan na kami ng isa naming aso. And ayun, that's why I actually did not release. Yeah, I did celebrate my birthday but I was not in the mood. Aside from we were so busy sa office kasi audit season namin. Actually, it's my heart was with my dogs lately. Sabi ko nga hindi ako iiyak. So, we will be going to look for an urn for my doggy and have her cremated. And yeah, see you around. Because we bought plastic for peeping and carton. We're here at Mary Mart. Diversion yan. You can text that number or call. Store opens at 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Bili tayo ng Royal para sa ating celebration for post-birthday. Then we have here coffee for the boys. Alright. Grabe. Meron pang kabaong sa ano. I don't know what company is that, but it's a for the kabaong. So, it's Abysia. We will buy na urn here. Malapit lang sa cemetery. gwapo, abi ko chocolate.
Okay siya? Super finger.
Ano, ginbakal mo? Thank you!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimding. Ruby Inspired!